Greetings, Chris Feola here with the first edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog for 2024. I hope you all had a healthy and wonderful holiday season and are now ready to get rolling in the new year. Today we're trying out something that's kind of been on my mind here. I'm still working to come up with some sort of a logo or graphic setup for my company, Feola Factory, and I had an idea, so let's see what Dall-E can come up with. A night street scene of a Victorian photojournalist with a steampunk camera. Let's see what Dall-E can do with that. That's kind of interesting. Not really a camera. Not really a steampunk camera, kind of a Kodak camera, isn't it? It looks like a little small 35. Well, that's pretty interesting. Maybe we'll come back to this. Let's take this one, which I think is the closest, and ask for variations. There's the original again, here on the left. Intriguing. A little too much of the face, though. That's very interesting. I like this. I'm not sure that the camera is particularly steampunky, though. And just, no. This looks more like Weimar Germany, doesn't it? I don't know. I'm afraid he's going to start singing cabaret at any moment. So, all right. Well, we'll play with this idea some more and see where it goes and see if we can maybe add something to it. Just thought it'd be an interesting little exercise to start the year. That's it for this week. Hope you have a great one. Feola out.